Good day guys and welcome. So are you lagging out of your matches? This year Xfinity's high-speed gateways are built for gaming, but the PS4 sometimes struggles with the latest security handshakes. And today I'm showing you the easy setup method and the one setting you need to change to stop random disconnects. So first, let's do the basics. So on your PS4 you go to Settings and Network, and then set up a network connection. Choose Use Wi-Fi and select Easy, and then the move. Now find your Xfinity network name. If you have a modern XB8 gateway, look for the 6 or 5 GHz bands. After that, just enter your password. So if your password isn't working, use the Xfinity app on your phone to share Wi-Fi via QR code. It'll show you the exact case-sensitive password you need. If you're trying to use a public Xfinity Wi-Fi hotspot, connect to your open network. The test will fail. This is normal. Open the PS4 user guide or the internet browser, and Xfinity's smart portal should pop up automatically. Sign in with your Xfinity ID. If PSN content isn't loading, go to custom network settings and change your primary DNS to 8.8.8.8. This bypasses the slow Xfinity routing and gets you into the lobby faster. And that's it. Like this, you are officially back on the grid. If this gaming guide helped you kill the lag today, smash like and subscribe.